Hello, friends. We are discuss romantic literature in 1798 to 1837. Romantic was commonly used to mean natural phenomena like sunsets, views of the landscapes of rainbows. Romanticism was a reaction against age of reason, enlightenment. Age of reason, it means logic, science, order, and romanticism, it means feeling, nature, and imagination. 1798, it was the age of Wordsworth lyrical ballads published. Poets Wordsworth 17 era of the Wordsworth is the 1770 to 1850. Then Coleridge, Walter Scott, Lord Byron, Shelley, John Keats. These are the notable poets of this age. There are some prose works also published in this age. Charles Lamb, William Hazlitt, Thomas D. Quincy, and some of the novels also published in this age. Jane Austen, Walter Scott, Thomas Love Ecock, and Mary Godwin Shelley. These works or these writers are publish their works in romantic literature, it means romantic era. This age is the known as also the Wordsworth lyrical ballad. There are some characteristics of this age. First characteristics in this age is the emotion and feelings. Emotion and feelings is the main notable feature in this era. There is the romantic poetry, reason or intellect were replaced by emotion and imagination, emotion and feelings. These are the notable features in this era. Primary place to passion and emotion, words were called poetry as spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings, and Coleridge has written about imagination and fancy and dejection and ode is the best example of this fact. Wordsworth Lucy poems are highly notable or emotional. Second is the individualism. Individualism is the second feature of this era. Individualism, it means there are some individuality in the poets also or writers also. Next is the interest in the past life. It means Shelley, Byron, St. Coleridge, Keats. These are the notable poets in this era, or they are use of the interest in the past life, or they are use in their poetry the past life. Attraction to the exotic. Exotic, it means the they all works are attraction to the exotic words. Next feature or next characteristics is the love of poetry. Love of poetry is the main or notable feature of Wordsworth, Keats, Byron, St. Coleridge, Shelley. These are the notable feature of the poetry. Then next is the worship of nature. Worship of nature is also the main feature of romantic poetry. Next is the distrust of science. Distrust of science, it means there are only value of imagination, feelings, love, and distrust of science, it means science, rejection of science. There are the prominence of imagination over reason and formal rules. Primitivism, love of nature, and interest in the past. Mysticism, interest in the Gothic. Individualism, human rights, idealism, or rural life. Enthusiasm for the Gothic and irregular ghostic in nature. Enthusiasm for the uncivilized or natural. There are some values of romanticism: belief in the natural goodness of man, glorification of the self, love of nature, and exaggerate history in the nostalgic way, originality, rejection of enlightenment, ideals, interest of folk tradition. These are the notable values of this age. The age is nature. Age is age is the center characteristics is the nature, liberty, freedom, country life, common people, break from set rules. It is a silent feature of this age. Romantic age is the mainly features is the break from set rules. It means there are the some rules and regulation in the classical and neoclassical criticism or neoclassical work, but in this romantic era there are break from set rules. It means there are romantic age on in this type of poems, the poets use of the romanticism. Then next is the love for country and common people. It is a center subject or central theme in the poems are the love and country common people. Next feature of the romantic age is the transformation of the interest from the town of country life. 18th century was concerned the city life which was artificial, but poets like Wordsworth romantic age give importance to countryside or nature. The poets of this age took interest in the common people and feeling of humanitarianism colored the poetry of Wordsworth. Shelley, Byron, Wordsworth, lyrical ballads, S.T. Coleridge, these are the main poets of this age. Then originality is the mainly feature of this poems. Nature, a love for liberty and freedom, love of the supernaturalism, and melancholy is the romantic poetry is often melancholic or pessimistic. It means opposite of the optimism, and it is the also romantic poets is often dissatisfied individual. The word is often sorrowful for him, and so he escaped to the past or to an imaginary world. Kiss and Coleridge, these are the values of romanticism. There are some elements of romanticism: a near perfect hero, a evil enemy, quest, a test of the hero, supernatural elements, goods versus evil, female figure who are usually maidens, mothers, and crones. These are the elements of this poetry. These elements of romanticism also use in their novels work or poetry and also the dramas. Thank you.